Jeffro from 2Hacks Garage. Well, got my Magneto back from Brian from B&R Racing. He did an excellent job getting this set up. I really don't know a whole lot about Magneto, so I'm going to let him explain what he did to this thing.
Take the cap off, and I'll show you how to work.
Yeah.
Hold on to that teeth.
Yeah. These things can shock you, but like I said, we used his Magneto.
Came apart. I gave it a complete overhaul tune-up. It was in pretty good shape, but it needed to be serviced. It was due.
It was serviced, it was ready to do. So I know it's got a new condenser in there. It's got a new, is it new points in there? Or?
Same points. They're low hours.
And it was a lockout Magneto. And what Brian did is I ended up getting a mechanical advance kit. And what did you end up setting this thing up at?
Up 8 degrees. I had to take apart one of my mags to, the advance kit you purchased. It wasn't quite
right.
No.
So luckily he had everything in-house to get this set up. He spun tested. Everything's hot.
Oh,
so what we're going to do in this video is we are going to get this thing all set up. So everything comes in at 2,200 RPM on the advance. And tell you what, guys, we got to get to work. We're going to get this knocked out.
Sit down. I got a present.
And yeah, this is going to be pretty cool. And this here is an inductor single Magneto timing light. I don't know how to use this thing, but I know Brian, he's got every cool toy out there for these. So he's going to show me how this thing works. It's got a little light on there, and
it beeps. It only works when it's hooked to the Magneto primary terminal.
So we're going to see how this thing works, but I appreciate it. Appreciate all the hard work done on it. And yeah, you know what we're going to do? We're going to go ahead and get to work. We're going to get this set up so we can make noise at some point. Still waiting on 2 fittings. So with that, let's get to work. See you in a few. All right, so Brian is actually using the mag timer, and it's actually pretty neat. So we set the crank at 16 degrees before top dead center, and on the Magneto itself, he's got it set up the 16 degrees on this marked. So what he's doing now, he's actually using that mag timer where the points open and break, and he's setting it to that. So listen to this bad boy when he does his thing.
That's good training.
No, I don't have this down.
So what, if you listen here, when he turns it a little bit, right there. There you go. So he's turning it back once it goes to that, and it stops, and he's bringing it back to that 16 degree mark.
All right, I'm going to undo it. You come over here, Jeff, and you got to do it yourself. Come on.
Okay.
That's how you learn.
So
do you need to tell them
I got the camera.
that you have to
You come around here.
consideration that the weights in the
if you look,
You come around over here,
Okay.
Jeff, this side, if it's better.
you need to tell them on camera that
I'm on camera.
the
Okay, turn it clockwise,
advanced
same.
weights.
Okay, right there. Keep going. Turn a little bit more clockwise. Clockwise, yeah, go ahead. Okay, now counterclockwise, opposite of rotation. Keep going. Right there. Okay, you got to find a sweet spot. It's real touchy, actually. That's it.
Okay.
I'm going to undo it again.
And then just going to turn it a little bit. So right now the contacts are closed. And there's that sweet spot. And that's correlation piston number 1, 16 degrees before top dead center.
Yeah, oops, just bump it. Jimmy's fidgeting with
there we go, right there.
Special hold down clamp.
And Jimmy was talking about with the advanced weights in there.
You add that in.
You add that into it to make sure.
Because it's 16 degrees here.
Yep.
So then you
Okay.
add the advanced
Do it
weights
again,
to
Jeff.
and then you're
Go
going to
ahead.
have your total timing.
Okay,
So I'm going to come back. It's
come back.
open.
Okay, go counterclockwise now. Right there.
There's your sweet spot.
There's your sweet spot. You did it.
So about right there.
You got the feel.
I got the feel.
Yep. You got
So what we're going to do is we're going to get back to work, and get things wired. This is a really cool tool. And learning is always fun. You can hear the beep. Brian, that's pretty awesome. Thanks for showing that. We're going to put back on time lapse. We're going to get all this thing set up.
That's Chef's mag timer. I got my own too.
Yeah, Brian's got all the cool toys. He's even got a Sun distributor machine, and he spark tests everything, gets everything set up. Pretty neat. Thanks, Brian. All right, we got it all installed, and it looks awesome. Got to give a big shout out to Brian on that. Thank you very much, Brian. It got all the new wires on, got it all set. Brian showed me how to use a mag timer. And what he's doing right now is he's going to check spark to make sure this thing's got some spark. All right, so now we're going to check for spark.
What about the back?
And here we go. Watch this.
That thing's in, it's supposed to be off.
Yes. Go ahead and spin her over, Jimmy. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
We got spark.
Yeah, I know exactly why.
We got spark. Once again, Brian, much appreciated.
You're
Mag
welcome.
set up. We're ready to rock and roll. Waiting on 2 fittings. Plumb it. Throw some 114 octane in it. Let it rip.